You should follow me on social media because I like making friends. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you think I'm cool.
Hi guys, I just filmed this video. Word to the wise, do not do what I do in this video. Do not eat the expired food you found in the back of your refrigerator. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Enjoy. Hi there. I don't know about you guys, but I have got so many leftovers in my fridge. Oh shit, that shit's hot. Oh, this needs cheese. Let's see what kind of cheese I got. Pepper Jack, I'll take it. Are you expired? Almost, okay. I'm currently eating Cauliflower Mac and Cheese. It is absurdly yellow because I put a little too much turmeric in it. My bad. This is burning my knee. It's fine. Everything's okay. So Cauliflower Mac and Cheese. I made this not too long ago. Did y'all just hear that? Hello? It's fine. Cheesy goodness. I'm gonna burn this shit out of my mouth though. Put a little sriracha in there. Ooh. We getting fancy. That was louder in my head. Let's talk for a second about meal prepping. Do you guys meal prep? If you do, what is your favorite vegetarian-friendly meal to prepare? I love meal prepping. I don't do it as much as I want to. It takes so long to do it. I just like, when I end up having the time, I usually don't want to do it. And sometimes when I do it, for the roommates who live in this house, and me, I'm not excluding myself, we sometimes forget the food was meal prepped, and then they end up at the back of the fridge, and they just kind of sit there until they go bad, and it's like, oh, all that food is wasted. So, whoopsie daisy, whoopsie daisy. For example, vegetarian broccoli chili with no beans. Keto friendly. Absolutely delicious. I made it in my slow cooker. Super easy to do. Has it gone bad? After my mac and cheese, we're gonna find out. You know what it is? I think it's because cauliflower has such like a neutral flavor profile that it just kind of goes with whatever sauce you put with it. I don't know. I'm not Gordon Ramsay, but sometimes I pretend I am. Like when I'm in the shower. Look at all the cheesy goodness, bitch. Do you see that? Let's see what sauces / dressings are expired, shall we? She's stripped naked. She said you ain't gonna find out if it's the expiration date is like rubbed off. This is sealed though. Yeah, this expired. Worcestershire sauce? Where are you? Hello? Oh yeah, she been expired. Yikes. Okay, let's see. Oh. Garlic and basil vinaigrette. When are you done? Oh, 2 months ago. Love that for us. This expired a whole year ago, so far she's the winner. What is this? This expires on 4/20. Red hot stinging honey garlic sauce. If you guys want like a little surprise in your day, just head to your fridge and like check the bottom shelf on the door. Like, what have y'all been have you guys been here the whole time? I feel like, you know what? Sometimes I feel like Shelf Life, like they're really just trying to pull one over on you. Cause they're like, this expires, you have to throw it out. Like, don't f***ing tell me what I have to do, okay? Oh, I wish I wouldn't have thrown my celery out. You guys would have really gotten a kick out of what that celery looks like. It was the saddest Squidward nose, limp dick looking vegetable you've ever seen in a produce aisle, let me tell you that much. Oh, this cabbage though. Oh, this cabbage, honey. Oh, let me tell you something about Miss Cabbage. She's had better days. She hasn't gotten much sleep. Oh, she done bumped her head. I like pre-make iced tea and iced coffee. Do you guys do this? Super efficient. This is great in the summer. Just gonna say. I know it isn't summer. Maybe it is when you're watching this. Hello. Beach season. I need a napkin for myself. I think it's time to move on to the next thing to eat. Oh. Okay. Okay, so at first glance, broccoli, chili, looking and smelling like she's a little past her prime. You know what? It's fine. I'm just gonna, oh, this hot sauce was opened. Oh, this was very opened. Oh, okay, well, I'm gonna put some of this expired hot sauce on here. Usually not the hot sauce I would prefer, but that's okay. Give her a little mixeroo. Ooh, 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 I wonder. A bitch has sour cream. Please tell me you're not expired. Are you expired? Hello. We're pushing it. Okay. What's the leeway on expiration dates, like on dairy products? Is it like a week or two after? Like, what's the consensus on that? I love putting sour cream in my chili. Usually it's not expired chili with expired hot sauce and expired sour cream. It like looks, we'll leave it at that. Bitch, gotta have the cheese too. My very good friend, Adele Dazim. I have this, pepper jack is my favorite cheese. Pepper jack and mozzarella and Munster. That's the threesome I need in my life. What is this? What is this? Boneless ham steaks with natural juices. What is a ham steak? Is she expired? Oh no, she's good. Oh. She might not be now. All right, let's have some of this chili with cheese. Is sour cream and hot sauce. Okay, here we go. Okay. Definitely getting some odd flavor profile with a different texture than when I originally had the first bowl a month ago. And the temperature of the sour cream isn't helping the case here. So it's kind of like hot with some cold spots in it, with the overall questionable quality, some would say. Whenever you want the recipe for this chili, I'll leave the recipes for everything I made down in the description of this video. This is the first chili I've ever made without beans. I usually like heavy beans. Like, I'm heavy into the bean scene. Black beans, pink beans, black-eyed pea beans, les beans, all of them. I also did broccoli and veggies, and somehow with my seasoning, tastes like chili. Maybe not right now, but originally it did. I think it's time for a salad break. Baby spinach. This is not expired. I feel like spinach is one of those things that, like, once it's expired, you should probably not tempt the hands of fate. I'm not trying to get citronella in this bitch, okay? I'm gonna assume that this is washed. It's from Ohio, a trustworthy place. Homo Drew Carey, I think, right? Is that where the Drew Carey show was? Columbus, Ohio? Rock and Roll Hall of Fame for some reason. I'm not knocking them, I'm just like, why is the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame? Why is the Rock and Roll Hall of Flame in Ohio when I've got the flame burning in my heart? Anyway, let's see the oldest dressing in here. Oh, I already have it. It's over here. This is garlic basil. And she's been open. Don't know whose this was. This is not garlic basil vinaigrette. No preservatives. Awesome. I feel like vinaigrette already has a smell that, like, it's gone. And it's not coming back. Okay. Yep. Okay, we're just gonna hide it with some Himalayan pink salt. Oh, and a cat hair, I guess. And a cat hair. All right, I need a fork. Ow. Let me toss my salad. I like to take my time when tossing my salad. And we're gonna dig in with our spinach expired salad. It's not super flavorful. It just has like a bitter. That is bitter. Ooh, it's like turning the color of the spinach like real quick. You know how usually like if you pierce the spinach with your fork, it like changes the color? This is like wilting very quickly. Wonder what it's doing to my insides. All right. No preservatives, baby. I'm not here. If you're looking for preservatives, look elsewhere. Oh, shit. Okay. And for dessert, we don't really have anything sweet in here. I'm more of a savory bitch, but I did make peanut butter. It's sliding, isn't it? Perfect. Good comedic timing. It's like a peanut butter bar. So ingredients are, it was natural peanut butter, almond flour, butter, unsweetened chocolate, then you sweeten it with this keto friendly sweetener. And I have to say, my compliments to the chef. It's me, I'm the chef. They are really rich though, so I would probably have like 1/3 this size, but it's a mukbang, I'm crazy. Yup. Stop what you're doing, scroll down, subscribe first, hit the like button, leave a comment, and then make yourself these damn peanut butter bars. It's so rich, so creamy. It's like wham bam. Oh, thank you, ma'am. This is so okay. I'm gonna save that piece for later. Who am I kidding? I'm gonna eat it right now. Oh, and for those of you wondering and thinking, am I crazy? No, you're not. Yes, this is a miniature fridge next to a regular size fridge. No, there's nothing in it. I think there's one beer in there that's been there probably for a year now. It's been unplugged for probably a year now. It's kind of a wine cooler. I don't let wine sit in this house long enough for it to get cool, so not a best purchase. So can y'all please do me a favor? Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you want to, like this video if you liked it, and go to your refrigerator, find the oldest expired thing in there, excuse me, and comment below and let me know what it was. Also, if you're feeling like freaky, give it a little taste, give it a little lick. Unless it's like something, if you get sick, like, please don't come for me. I am not responsible for your stupidity. I'm not even responsible for my own shit. Well, that's all I have for you. I think I might throw up. Thanks for watching.